A loose toilet paper holder or towel rod is one of the most common repairs a homeowner will face. Has this happened to you? I'm going to show you an easier way. Every single time you buy any product that's made to mount to the wall, they give you these cheap hollow core anchors. Let me show you the problem with these. The problem with these hollow core anchors is if you put them in too tight, that plastic anchor will just spin and come loose in the opening. These kind of thin anchors might work well for something extremely lightweight like a picture. However, something like a towel bar holder, toilet paper holder, that daily vibration is going to cause this to fail every time. These lightweight drywall anchors will come loose, they'll spin in the drywall, and they will eventually fall out and fail. When you get these in your installation kits, I want you to throw them away. Upgrade to something like this. Keep these in your toolbox. These drywall hollow core anchors are much larger and they will bite into your wall surface. This aggressive thread will bite into your wall. It doesn't matter if it's drywall or plaster. That is very, very strong. Here's the template. These are so sharp and aggressive you don't even have to pre-drill. Holds very, very well. And then here's your toilet paper holder, and we're just going to screw right into our new fastener. So what's happening is that anchor will actually expand on the back side of your wall, creating a super strong bond. Package says these are rated for 80 pounds. And then these have a little set screw underneath that you just loosen up, clamp it over your new bracket that is super strong, and tighten it on. Okay, your new toilet paper holder is installed. This is a lot stronger than what comes with the kits. It will hold many, many years. It'll be an easy repair for you. Let's do a repair with an even stronger fastener on a towel bar holder. So the hollow core wall anchors that come in your mounting kits are kind of weak. I showed you that stronger method that won't spin in your wall. It actually opens up on the back side of the wall. It's super strong. Now I'm going to show you a third option. Your towel bars get a lot of abuse and they fall out of the walls all the time. Standard height for a new towel bar is 48 inches or 4 feet from the floor. However, you can install them anywhere you want. Here we'll go over a toilet, so we're going to mount it up a little higher. When you're happy with the placement location of your towel bar, simply mark. These kind of heavy duty wall anchors don't need you to find a stud. They can work in hollow core situations. Very, very strong. They are growing in popularity. All the fasteners I've used today are in the video description down below. Okay, for this particular fastener, you pre-drill a 1/2 inch hole in your wall. Now for the other hole, they give you a template in all the packaging, and of course you want it to be level. So we're going to put it right in the middle of our bracket. All right, that should be level right there. Second hole out of the way. Now in most towel rods for each bracket, they'll actually give you 2 of these cheap hollow core anchors. I'm telling you, you can throw those right away. These heavy duty anchors are rated for hundreds of pounds. We'll only need 1 per bracket. So you have your metal anchor. Of course, it won't fit in like that. So you're actually going to tip it this direction, and when it gets behind the wall, it's going to flip open and really grab onto the back of the wall. You can actually hear it. Okay, now you're convinced it's grabbed the back of the wall. You take this little holder device and you cinch it up tight. Okay, so now what we've done is we've put a secure fastener on the front and the back of that wall. You simply break this piece off. Couldn't be easier. And that's going to give you your very strong anchor to screw into. Okay, so next, this bracket is provided by the towel rod kit. This screw is provided by the anchor, the wall anchor kit. We're going to go right through the middle. Again, this is plenty strong. We won't need 2 different anchors. That is extremely strong. It will hold hundreds of pounds. Let's do it on the other one. You can order these online or at your local home improvement store. They are a great, great product. The metal end goes in first. Simply tip it to fit into the opening. slide it in. You'll hear it click. It pops open on the back side of that wall. You take the cincher device, pull it up tight, and this will simply break off. Okay, onto the towel rod. You're going to have a little set screw that you loosen up. You'll slide over that bracket. Okay, for the second one, loosen up the set screw, put it in the first bracket, drop it over, tighten it on down. Okay, your new towel rod is installed. I don't know if I'll do a pull-up on it, but it's plenty strong. It should hold up to your daily use and abuse of people pulling on towels. Hey, I know you can do it yourself.